viewers hojo se nikopha tu nikhohin Vietnam umta Indian Air Force promotional movie khat anavel hitin hichi promotional movie ahi Indian Air Force tu chana hi ECHAN ge advanced term EPP fighter aircraft anejam EPP missile anejam ti ho ki vet sahin hichi ke bol lo nahi ahila Indian Air Force ami alunglut theina ding tengle awareness create na dinga hichi promotional movie ho hi hungki CMG hin hichi vet diu te kelhonin e ho khangtha ho dinga Indian Air Force alut na thaining chance hung kan het sa nomin hicho hi le Agniveervayu giti Indian Air Force Agniveer kilading ahung lungding tarik khanapat sagi September 2026 1 to 7 September 2026 ahi open rally umding ahin form fill up masat ngailo wa direct rally location aju chia venue wa chia selection aju ka panjeng the chance e ho north is pumpi dingin tarik khana pat sagi September le Chumukidima Nagaland Armed Police Training Center Chumukidima a umding ahin hichahi khangtha ho atam the jana ikego nwa iga zawwa selection imuna the te duty hi ingai to diu DEISAH omin angai cha kho pen che le nang pen kum 1st January 2005 ma pa na 31st July 2009 sunga peng khangtha SIMLAI hoin ichireli a pangthei ding ahin class 12 pass na hi ngai tengle na percentage e la 50% alhin ngai subject jong English a atuma 50% namu ngai ding ti ahin tarik khat len ni hi Numei hoding tu chung hai Numei jong Pasal jong ani a kela khom de hin 1 apat 1 le 2 hi Numei ho ading special drive hin tin 3 apana 7 ge khu Pasal ho ading 2 to in Indian Air Force a ami Numei khat jong Agniveervayu apang umtan ateng le Pasal wang hele sau sawin hiji ejun khangtha hoin hiji opportunity hi atam thei pena ga panwa atam thei pena selection imodi ti hi DEISAH jala hiji video through a hi head sa nele temna kan ne hin tu a hi hiji video Indian Air Force promotional movie hi event wa hong le I thau jong anok be chom na ding tia khangtha ho kitil na ding le khangtha ho head na dinga hiji video hi chom cha kan se ma hin Vietnam ta Indian Air Force promotional movie veo hitin ahung lungding hi open rally Agniveervayu ajong hi emi ho tamta selection imuna theding ngai to so kai tin akila ding dan a timing ho EPP ngai dam the detail advertisement hi iti YouTube description khun a link aki koijin a link khume awin lang veleu chun detail advertisement pa a heading a chuile open rally for Agniveervayu at Chumukidima Nagaland kitipen his advertisement ko simutin khangtha ho tampi ke go nowa tampi in selection imu duty hi kinep na puma hichi video mangcha head sana kan nei he tun video Indian Air Force promotional movie anavel hite.
Here every sortie shapes history, every mission forges legends. From the icy peaks of the Himalayas to the vast oceans below, a vigilant force commands the air, swift, silent, and relentless. It shields a billion dreams, carrying with it the strength of a nation. For those who dare challenge its domain, the answer is certain. This is the Indian Air Force. Infallible, impervious, precise, achuk, abhedya, Vasapeak. The past year, our engines rode across continents. At Exercise Desert Night 24.1 over the Arabian Sea, Sukhoi 30s, Jaguars and AWACS forged new bonds with France and the UAE. At Red Flag Alaska, Indian Rafales and a 252-strong contingent undertook the longest ferry in our history, proving global reach in both combat and logistics. On the return leg, we trained with Greece and Egypt, diplomacy written in contrails. From pitch black in Australia to Udara Shakti in Malaysia, our Su-30s and IL-76s showed that distance is no barrier to dominance. In the Indian Ocean, our Su-30s and AVACs trained with the USS Abraham Lincoln Carrier Strike Group, displaying seamless integration with the best in the world. And at Bright Star in Egypt, the tricolour rose above Africa's largest multilateral exercise, our presence commanding respect, our precision undeniable. These were not just exercises, they were declarations that the IAF is not a participant, but a leader. In Aero India 2025, the 15th edition of Asia's largest air show, brought together 80 nations, over 800 aerospace and defense companies, and hundreds of thousands of visitors. In 2025, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla made history as the first Indian mission pilot aboard the International Space Station. His successful flight marked IAF's pioneering role in exploring new frontiers of 62 years of valor, service, and an unbroken watch. Foremost in battle, the IAF is also at the forefront of technology, ever evolving. It is continuously building, training, protect.
पाकिस्तान से आए आतंकियों ने हमारी बहनों बेटियों का सिंदूर उजाड़ा। ये नया भारत किसी की परमाणु धमकियों से डरता नहीं।
Power unleashed.
ये नया भारत है
From Alaska to Australia, from Pahalgam to Pathankot, from disaster zones to battlefields, the Indian Air Force has lived its creed. Infallible in its dominance, impervious in its defense, precise in its execution. We are more than warriors. We are the guardians of tomorrow. The Indian Air Force, touching the sky with glory.